ये नया ताज है।
जी जी।
Hello and welcome to Vista India. Our adventure begins on a first-class train ride gliding through the heart of Mumbai. The monsoon season has painted the city in shades of green, and as raindrops kiss the windows, the scenery outside feels magical. The rhythmic motion of the train, the misty skies, and the fragrance of wet earth sets the perfect tone for the day ahead. We arrive at Church Gate Station, a hub not just for commuters but also for history lovers. Built during the British era, this station still carries the charm of colonial architecture. Step outside and you're surrounded by impressive British-era buildings. Just around the corner stands the Grand Navy Dockyard, one of the oldest shipbuilding yards in India. Nearby, you'll find the striking Mumbai Police Headquarters, built in a Gothic style that takes you straight back to the 19th century. And as we move along, the magnificent Bombay High Court towers above, a heritage landmark and a living symbol of Mumbai's legal history. Every street here is like stepping into a time capsule of colonial India. From Church Gate, we hop into a classic black and yellow Mumbai taxi. The rain-slicked streets shine under the city lights as we head towards Colaba Causeway. Known as the Culture Square of Mumbai, this bustling shopping street is a paradise for anyone who loves unique finds, handicrafts, jewelry, clothes, antiques. You name it, Colaba has it. Don't forget to bargain, it's all part of the fun here. The market is also known for its mouth-watering food, so be sure to try some local street snacks as you explore. On this very stretch stands the legendary Leopold Cafe, a place that has seen the city's joys and sorrows. It still bears bullet marks from the tragic 26/11 attacks, serving as a reminder of Mumbai's resilience and unbreakable spirit. Just a few steps away stands one of India's most iconic landmarks, the Gateway of India. Built in 1924, it was the ceremonial entrance to India for British viceroys and governors. Today, it stands proudly as a symbol of Mumbai, with the majestic Taj Mahal Palace Hotel creating a picture-perfect backdrop. Standing here, with the Arabian Sea stretching endlessly before us. The Gateway is more than just history, it's an emotion for Mumbaikas. Families gather here on weekends, children run around chasing pigeons, and tourists line up to capture their perfect photo with the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel in the background. From here, boats sail out into the Arabian Sea, adding life and movement to the view. Leaving behind the majestic Gateway of India, we hop back into a classic black and yellow Mumbai taxi. The road winds past the bustling lanes of Colaba, where street vendors, cafes, and old colonial buildings line the way. As we drive north, the grand dome of the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel slowly fades from view, and the wide streets of South Mumbai open up before us. And then, just as the sea breeze begins to touch our faces, Marine Drive unfolds in front of us, the iconic 3-kilometer-long boulevard curving gracefully along the Arabian Sea. Known as the Queen's Necklace, this stretch sparkles with lights at night, but even now, with the monsoon clouds above and the waves crashing against the promenade, it feels like the heartbeat of Mumbai. Families, friends, joggers, and dreamers all find their place here, making Marine Drive a living postcard of the city. From the colonial echoes of Churchgate to the calm serenity of Marine Drive, Mumbai is a city of endless stories. And this is just the beginning of our journey together. Thank you for joining today's journey with Vista India. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your dream destination in the comments below. See you on the next adventure.